put the whole team in the blender. He was like, hey, your ass is too slow. Get quicker next time, my nigga. Bye-bye. Hey, I'm too slow. Hey, get quicker, my nigga. He said, y'all asses can't catch me, mother lovers. Man, he put the whole team in a blender. He's like, hey, you want to try me? Get your ass on this field and come get this work, nigga. The hell? I ain't gonna lie. That man got some talent. That man got talent. You know, I'm definitely looking forward to seeing him in the NFL. For real.